Hey all, I'm super excited to be joining you all today. In the previous two workshops, I looked at how you can create an NFT collection and some of the tools and templates that are available in Replit to help build smart contracts in Solidity. Today, I want to continue my blockchain and crypto theme and look at some of the resources available in Replit to learn about the granddaddy of all crypto, Bitcoin. Let's have a quick look at today's agenda. We'll start by taking a look at Bitcoin and why it is valuable. We will then take a look at Replit Curriculums and the awesome library it contains to learn everything from Python to Bitcoin. We will finish off by delving into some of the Bitcoin learning modules. What is Bitcoin? Today we are going to be discussing one of the most exciting and innovative developments in the world of finance. Bitcoin, for those who are not familiar, is a digital currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority, such as a bank or government. This technology has the potential to change the way we think about and use money. In this talk, we will explore the basics of Bitcoin and discuss its potential impact on the global financial system. Bitcoin is a digital currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by a central authority like a government or bank. It was created in 2009 by a pseudonymous individual or group of individuals known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions with Bitcoin are recorded on a public, decentralized ledger called the blockchain, which allows for transparency and prevents fraud. Bitcoin can be used for a wide range of purposes, including purchasing goods and services and as an investment. At a high level, Bitcoin operates using a decentralized network of computers that work together to verify and record transactions on the blockchain. When a user wants to make a transaction, they broadcast a message to the network, which then uses a series of algorithms to verify the transaction and add it to the blockchain. Once a transaction has been added to the blockchain, it cannot be changed, which ensures the security and integrity of the system. The decentralized nature of the network means that there is no central authority, such as a bank or government, controlling the production of money. Instead, the network operates based on a set of transparent rules that are agreed upon by all participants. Why is Bitcoin valuable? Bitcoin is valuable because it is scarce. There is a hard cap of 21 million coins. Its limited supply and decentralized nature ensures that it cannot be controlled by any organization, and its value is purely determined by market forces. The table on screen compares several properties of Bitcoin against gold and fiat, government-issued money. Let's take a look at a couple. As we can see, although gold is rated as A+ for having an established 5,000-year history, and newcomer Bitcoin is D, it fares poorly in many other areas. For example, portability, the ability to transmit billions of dollars of wealth down a telecommunications line at the speed of light, 24/7. Bitcoin now ranks as an A+, and gold with its expensive storage and transportation costs as D. Divisibility, the feature to instantly divide Bitcoin into smaller units and also program digital applications on top of its ecosystem, is completely unique and fertile with endless opportunities. Scarcity, although gold is scarce, Bitcoin is scarcer. Fiat money ranks very poorly here, as central bank money printers have completely drained it from any scarce attribute. Now let's look at the Replit Curriculum. At Replit, the mission is not just to build the world's best IDE, but to make programming accessible to everyone on the globe. They aim to do this by partnering with talented educators and providing free teaching tools and aids. If we jump into the Replit Curriculum Hub, we can see a whole host of learning materials. We have some interesting stuff on programming languages like Python and JavaScript. You can also learn about computer science concepts like AI and web development. Of particular interest for today's talk is the Getting Started with Bitcoin course. I was blown away when I came across this course. It shows how much knowledge the Replit community encompasses to release something like this. The course is split into 3 sections: Getting Started with Bitcoin, Cryptographic Hash Function in Bitcoin, and Getting Started with the Lightning Network. It's heavily focused towards developers and gives you a good grounding in becoming a Bitcoin developer. If you haven't already, you can join Replit using the join link on screen. I hope you learned something today, not just about Bitcoin, but also about Replit and its growing repository of educational resources. If you enjoyed this session, hit the like button, and please follow me on Twitter, where I share everything I learn about NFTs in Web3 as I continue to venture further